Wave functions. Functions which can mathematically represent a moving wave pulse known as wave function. Suppose I say a pulse is created like this, and at t equal to 0, x equal to 0, this pulse is created. And this pulse has any arbitrary equation, let I say y equal to function of x. It may be parabola, it may be circle, it may be etc. And at time t equal to t, this pulse has travelled some distance, and let I say the pulse remain identical, it is not changing, only it is travelling some disturbance. Pulse or disturbance is this travelling some distance. And in this coordinate system, which is I say the xy coordinate system, in this new situation, the coordinate system is x dash and y dash. Y equal to fx. So in this situation, equation will be written as the y dash is given by fx dash. Okay. We are taking new reference frame. That's why we are taking x dash and y dash. And in new reference frame, pattern is not changing. So pulse equation will remain exactly same. That is y equal to fx. So y dash equal to fx dash. It means if I take any point and this point is having the coordinate x comma y, then for with respect to this reference frame, this point must be having the coordinate x dash comma y dash. And if I say the wave speed is v, then t time, the distance travelled from this point to this point, it is known as a vt, like this. So if I say what is the value of this point with respect to this reference point, and let I say this is the x, then x can be written as vt distance plus x dash, it is known as x, and x dash can be written as x minus vt. We can relate y dash, y equal to fx, y dash equal to fx dash. So what is y? Y can be written as the f, x dash आप क्या लिखोगे? x minus vt. So this y equal to fx minus vt is known as a wave function. In nutshell, wave function, when the wave is moving with the speed v in plus x direction, then wave function is given by y equal to fx minus vt. And if wave is moving with the speed v in negative x direction, then wave function is given by y equal to fx plus vt.